Here's how we grow spinach from seeds. Grab a container of choice, select your potting medium. You may choose to fill your container with sand, soil, or your favoring potting medium. Now, these spinach seeds were gathered from spinach I bought at the market. So now we're going to sprinkle these seeds on top of the soil in the container. You will want to now cover them lightly with some soil. Be sure not to add too much soil. Next, you're going to water them nicely. Be sure not to dislodge the seeds in the process, so use a spray bottle as I am doing. When that's done, you're going to place them in a cool area and wait for germination. So it has been 8 days now since the seeds were sown and they are finally starting to grow. Let's see what happened in a couple days from now. So it's 2 days later, day 10, a couple more seeds have grown. It's now day 12 and germination seems to be about 80%. Now day 16, germination a success, ready for transplant. So it's 2 weeks after transplant, looking really good. If you notice, I've already done some reaping. Spinach is very healthy for your green juice, your salads, your sandwiches, or you can just wash it and eat it as is. What you now see here is some sprouting taking place. Once you clip the top as seen here, it allows for additional growth to take place at the nodes. The tip that you cut off can be regrown. You can place it in water as shown here for it to grow roots, and then you can transplant it, as well as you can also put it in soil as you're seeing here. So these are new seedlings that will give you additional spinach plants that you can place in your garden. So this is actually a simple trick that you can use to multiply the amount of spinach plants you have that will give you an abundance of spinach over time. So you will never have to buy spinach again. Duplicate the process, as well as you can continue to reap from the mother plant. So guys, you can now check out the videos appearing on your screen, and happy gardening.